Here's what most agencies get wrong about short form video. They think it needs a camera, a crew, and someone who knows how to edit. That assumption keeps them out of the game entirely, and that's exactly the gap this system fills. This is AI Lead Generation Agency Marketing, the show about building scalable lead generation systems. I'm Mikey, and today we're talking about short form video without a film crew. Here's the core idea. Most businesses stall out because they assume short-form video requires a camera, a crew, and real editing skill. That assumption keeps a huge number of businesses out of the channel entirely. The modern workflow removes that barrier completely. A client records a raw 30-second audio note and the system turns it into a captioned motion graphic short. No camera, no crew required. Every time. This isn't about chasing viral hits. It's about repetition and consistency. That's the winning strategy for short form. A single viral hit is exciting but unreliable. A steady cadence of solid, on-brand shorts compounds familiarity week over week in a way that's far more predictable to sell to a client. The process is straightforward. Capture, produce, distribute, measure. Capture means a raw 30-second audio note from the client. Produce means auto-captioned, motion graphic short. Distribute means steady cadence over viral gambles. Measure means watch time and brand search lift. As familiarity grows from consistent shorts, more people search the brand by name. That feeds search and CRM channels downstream. You're not selling short form on the promise of going viral. Set expectations on cadence and brand search lift. A single quiet week will read as failure to the client if you don't frame it correctly. Here's how it works step by step. First, capture, a raw 30-second audio note from the client. It can be recorded anywhere, a phone in the office, a voice memo on the go. It's just that. Then produce auto-captioned motion graphic short. The system pulls text from the audio and applies it to a motion graphic template that's been designed for your brand. No human editors needed, no design teams, no camera crews. Next, distribute. That means posting consistently. A recommended cadence is daily. Post at the same time every day. Create anticipation. Build habit. For example, a brand might post at 10 a.m. every weekday, reinforcing that expectation. This isn't just about frequency. It's about creating a rhythm, a schedule. The audience knows when to expect it. And measure. Watch time. Brand search lift. That's what you're tracking. Not how many videos went viral. That's not the system. You're building familiarity. You're growing search volume. You're creating downstream demand. If someone is searching for your brand name, that's a win. That's what matters. The key insight here? A steady cadence beats a viral lottery ticket every time. You're not gambling. You're building. You're growing. You're earning the audience's attention over time. That's why consistency wins. That's why repetition works. Let me tell you exactly what goes into the system, because people get confused about it. The first part is the capture, that raw 30-second audio note from the client. It's just that. It's the seed. It's not supposed to be a full script. It's just a voice memo. It can be a little awkward. It can be a little rough. It's the voice of the business. Then production is where it gets interesting. Auto-captioned, motion graphic, short. That means you're using software that reads the audio and turns it into text, then uses that text to animate a visual. The system handles all the motion graphics, the captions, the timing, the transitions, the fonts, the colors, the brand elements, everything. Next comes distribution. This is the cadence part. A consistent schedule, not random, not sporadic. Daily posts at the same time. That's how you build anticipation. That's how you build a habit. That's how you create an audience that shows up for you. Finally, measurement. Watch time. Brand search lift. These are your two main metrics. You're not looking at virality anymore. You're looking at engagement over time, brand awareness growth, and most importantly, actual search behavior. When people start searching for your brand name, that's when you know it's working. Now here are the mistakes people make. First, they still think they need a camera, a crew, and editing skills. That's completely unnecessary. The system works without any of that. Second, they try to chase viral hits instead of building consistency. Viral hits are great when they happen. They're unreliable. Consistency is what builds the audience. Third, they don't set clear expectations with clients. If someone sees a quiet week and thinks it's failure, you've lost the conversation. You have to explain that this isn't about virality. This is about building search volume and brand familiarity. Fourth, they ignore analytics. You're measuring watch time and brand search lift. Without those numbers, you're just guessing. You're not running a system, you're running a hunch. The fifth mistake is not understanding what success looks like. Success isn't a viral hit. It's a growing search volume. It's an audience that's familiar with your brand. It's people who are starting to search for you by name, which feeds into your CRM and search strategies. So here's how it works. Capture a 30-second audio note. Produce a captioned, motion graphic short. Distribute it daily on a consistent schedule. Measure watch time and brand search lift. That's the system. No camera, no crew, just consistency and repetition. The audience will come back for more because they know when to expect it. And when they do, they'll start searching your brand name. That's how you build lead generation systems that scale. If this one earned its time, the full system is inside the course at learn.mikey.ai. I'm Mikey. Go build consistency.